Hello friends, welcome to this course on NX. In this lecture, we will know about next command in sketch modeling, that is rectangle. Now first of all, we have to select the sketch mode. So I go to the sketch from here, go to sketch, and once again we need to select a datum plane. So select XY plane and click OK. Now we can see the rectangle. So when I click on this rectangle tool, we can see in NX we have three types of rectangle: 2-point, 3-point and center rectangle. Again, for the input method we have coordinate system and then parameter mode. Now before drawing the rectangles, let's first understand some basics of the rectangles. So the first basic type of rectangle in NX we have is the 2-point rectangle. In the 2-point rectangle, we need to define 2 point to create a rectangle. So here we can see, to define a rectangle, we need two dimensions. We need its width and this is the height. In NX, generally when we create a rectangle, we select the 2 points. So this will be our, let's say this is my first point and the opposite point. So I will select the second point and this opposite point will be my second point. Okay. So similarly we can also select this point and this point. So we have to make sure the opposite points are selected when we draw 2-point rectangle. So let's go to NX and draw the rectangle. So I select 2-point rectangle and I will select parameter mode. Now we have to select the first point. So let's say somewhere I click for the first point and let's say I select this origin. Click here. It is showing existing point and drag the mouse. Now for the rectangle, we need to define width and height. So let's say width I am taking 100, press tab, and the height I am taking 50, press enter. So here we can see we have drawn the rectangle. So press escape and then zoom in onto this rectangle. So onto this rectangle we can see it is showing the dimensions. So here make sure go to this more option. It is selected as display sketch constraint and also continuous auto dimensioning. And here also we can change the dimension. If I make a double click on any of the dimension, I can change the value. So let's say this is 120 and press enter. Close. So this is the first basic way of creating the rectangles. So once again I will draw a rectangle. So go to the rectangle and let's say I select 2-point rectangle. Select the first point and then click for the second point. Press escape. Now here I can also define the dimensions once again. So right now we can see the color of dimensions are different. So here we can see it is dark blue and it is light blue. So the difference between the color is because we have defined these dimensions manually. So these dimensions are called strong dimensions. But these dimensions here are automatically generated. So these are called weak dimensions. So when I manually change the dimension, so let's say I double click on this dimension and insert the value. So let's say I insert value 200, press enter, click close. Now we can see this dimension has also changed to a strong dimension. So it is recommended to change all the dimensions into a strong dimension. So go to rectangle and the second type of rectangle we have is a 3-point rectangle. So let's understand some basics of 3-point rectangle. In the 3-point rectangle, we need to specify 3 points. So let's say I have this rectangle and this point is my first point. So we specify this as a first point and then the second point will represent this line. So this will be the second point. And after that, when we specify the third point, so one of them will be the third point. So the point with respect to the second point will be the third point. So this will be the third point. Okay, this is how the orientation of 3-point rectangle works. And the angle between this line and this line is always 90 degree. Similarly, this angle is always 90 degree. So this is how we draw a 3-point rectangle in NX. So go to NX. So this is the first point and this is the second point, and drag the mouse. Here inside this rectangle we can specify 3 parameters: width, height and angle. So this angle, okay, just click here and press escape. So this angle is with respect to the horizontal axis, and here we can see by default the angle between these lines is always 90 degree. Again we can specify its width and height. So the third type of rectangle in NX we have center rectangle. So go to the center rectangle, and first let's understand some basics of this rectangle. So inside this rectangle we need to specify 3 points. So let's say this is my XY axis. So this is X axis and this is Y axis, and this is my origin point. Now when I select this type of rectangle, the center point of the rectangle will be the first point. So center point means this point will be the midpoint, this is midpoint, again this midpoint. So we can draw the line like this, horizontal line and vertical line represented by this blue color, and intersection of these lines will be the center of the rectangle. After that we need to specify the second point. So second point will always be this point. This vertical point will be the second point. After that this horizontal point will be the third point. So in this way we can specify this center rectangle, and in center rectangle the distance between here with respect to this axis will always be same. So this distance will always be same here. So that is why this is called center rectangle. This type of rectangle is always symmetric with respect to the datum axis. So again here this distance is always same. Similarly here. Now let's go to NX to draw this rectangle. I'm going to draw this rectangle with respect to the origin. Before this I select this rectangle. So hold down the left click of the mouse, drag the mouse. Now we can see this rectangle is selected, and press the delete key from the keyboard and then click OK. So this rectangle will be deleted. Now go to the rectangle and select center rectangle, and then click for the first point. Take the mouse upward. Here we can see the second point. So with this we can specify the width, height and angle. I click here and then drag the mouse, and this is the third point. Press escape. So in this way we can see we have created the center rectangle. And if I don't want to see all these dimensions, I can go to this option of more. It is showing the option display sketch auto dimensions. Right now this option is selected. Just make a uncheck on this. So select it once again, and here we can see all the dimensions will be hidden. So in this way we can draw all the 3 types of rectangles in NX.